Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our factory. We are QTech Technology, one-store EMS factory with ISO 9001, ISO 13485 certification. We established in 2014 with more than 10 years experience in EMS industry. All incoming materials are strictly inspected in our IQC room following PCBA 610X standards. Inspection covers appearance, packaging, quantity, specification, dimension, and documentation. Electrical testing is also performed when necessary. Qualified materials are transferred to the electrical warehouse, while non-conforming materials are returned to suppliers. This ensures defective materials do not enter production, reducing quality risks and ensuring product reliability. A high-temperature oven is used to bake and dry moisture-sensitive components. We use high-temperature oven to remove moisture and prevent reliability issues such as popcorn effect, delamination, or soldering defects during reflow. The solder paste printing machine is equipped with an automatic squeegee that applies solder paste onto the PCB pads with pinpoint precision through a customized stencil. We use the GKG G9 Plus, one of the most advanced printers in China, featuring optical alignment and automatic stencil cleaning system to ensure consistent printing quality. After solder paste is applied, it is verified by automated 3D solder paste inspection machine. The inspection system uses 3D optical projection technology with a straight line pattern to accurately measure whether the paste has been deposited correctly. We use the Syntec 3D SPI system to check volume, height, area, shape, and offset of the solder paste. After solder paste printing and inspection, components are mounted onto the PCB using placement machines. This task is handled by Yamaha high and medium speed mounter. Yamaha YSN20R is a high-speed, high-precision module placement machine supporting placing up to 95,000 trees per hour. It supports ultra-fine pitch components from 0.1005 trees to large components. Yamaha YSN10 is a versatile placement machine suitable for both high-mix and mid-volume production with capacity of up to 46,000 chips. It is flexible in handling a wide range of components, including small chips and all-shaped components and BGA components. We use the Blu-ray first article inspection system to verify the accuracy of the first assembled PCB before mass production. This intelligent high-speed system automatically compares the actual component placement against reference data such as CAD, BOM, and Gerber files. It quickly confirms whether components are correctly placed with the right polarity, orientation, and values. Following FAI, the assembled panel goes through the reflow soldering oven, where the high temperature gradually melts the paste and attach the components to the board. Ovens include separate heating and cooling zones, including preheat, thermal soak, reflow, and cooling. Our 10-zone reflow oven provides precise temperature control and stable thermal profile, minimizes defects such as void, cold solder joints, or tombstoning. Moving forward, the quality of soldering and component placement is checked using automated optical inspection system. This system uses cameras to detect any assembly errors, including insufficient solder, bridging, cold soldering, missing components, wrong polarity, or orientation. By using the online AOI, we ensure each boards are inspected and maintained a 99.7% pass rate where solder joints are located underneath the package. Our Sansi X-ray system is the best in China, equipped with a 100 kV Hamamatsu X-ray tube from Japan to inspect hidden solder joints and internal structures. We use pre-wave AOI system before the wave soldering process on the THT line. The system checks all inserted components to ensure they are correctly placed before entering the wave soldering machine. The pre-wave AOI mainly inspects component presence, polarity, precision accuracy, missing or wrong parts. We use the SunEast wave soldering machine for soldering through-hole components. In this process, the PCB passes over a standing wave of molten solder, which wets the exposed pads and component lids to form reliable solder joints. After wave soldering, dedicated workstations are available for lid trimming and manual soldering rework if required. We use the Mercury 500 post-wave AOI setter on the THD line to inspect PCBs after the wave soldering process. This ensures that solder joints and component placement meet quality standards before moving into the next stage. It has high-resolution cameras and multi-angle lighting for accurate defect detection. We also provide value-added services including functional testing, programming, firmware burning, and conformal coating. Thank you for visiting our factory. We are looking forward to our cooperation together.